Hello everyone, welcome to round 1. This hand is serviceable to me, so I will not mulligan. Right, of course he's going to play first. Ooh, Vector Asp. Someone's going in infect. Since I have a Mearsmith in my hand, I think I'll leave the Darksteel Axe in my hand, so I can get another. I can get another Mirror token. Yeah, you can swing. Problem with Vector Asp is that you're gonna have to pump black mana if you're going to go the infect route, which actually slows you down in the opening. So yeah, I'm going to take one. And maybe drop a Mearsmith and pass. I would take one more poison damage. Okay, he's going to go nuts. I don't know how many proliferate. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna save Contagion Clasp. Yeah. I can play, let's see, I can play that mirror and this skip. Yeah, I think I'll play down mirror and skip Mearsmith. The Mearsmith activation from Axe. Because I need acceleration. I don't need, it'll help. I think. So, that's what I'm gonna go for. No. Because I could do lots of fun stuff if that guy can survive to the next turn. Right. He's drawing into mana. Okay, cool. And I figure he wouldn't want to swing. That's cool. Alright. I don't think it's worth holding Heart's Order yet. Of course, I haven't seen any artifacts at all, so I have no idea whether I should save it for counters and whatnot. Here I'm gonna play Chrome Steed and activate Mirror. Oh, look at that. Metalcraft on the board. 4th turn. That's not the fastest, but yeah. You could kill this Sistbearer, okay. Chooses to pass. Alright. Chimeric Mass. Okay. We have a Despair, so we can bounce Chrome Steed if they decide to kill that. I'm gonna swing with Chrome Steed. Anyways. Okay, I probably could put Axe. Well, he has Despair, so I'm seeing if he wants to block. Ah, interesting. Intriguing, if you will. Okay. What now? I think I'd play Darksteel Axe. So definitely he's gonna have a hard time getting rid of all this metalcraft. Should I just Contagion Clasp the Asp and, be done with it? I could also just save Hot Order mana up. I'll just leave Hot Order mana up. The Fallen. This guy might be difficult. For artifacts too, otherwise I'd just Contagion Clasp it and be done with it. Yep, that's gonna be something. Yep. I may have to block Premier Smith, actually. Yep. So I can't swing in. And I need another blue. At this point, I'm just going to Contagion Clasp the Asp, I think. I want to get Chimeric Mass out. And then I can start proliferating. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I can trade at this point. I can definitely trade Mir Smith for the Fallen. Yeah. I'm gonna pass with Disperse Mana open, in case he has any shenanigans. Right. But it doesn't swing. Okay. I think he's worried about the swing back. I could wait another turn. Or I can wait for another island so I can disperse Invisimancer. Because I have a feeling he might instill Infection. Well, he probably would have done the Mir Smith. But yeah, I'm getting out Invisimancer. Oh yeah, I can make something unblockable. Chrome Steed. In which case, then, I'm equipping, and then I'm going to swing for 4. Forgot about that. That's actually what makes it pretty nice. And I could block with that also. Rather not, though, if I could help it. If I could untap next turn, I think I'd be pretty good position. I think he's kind of mana flooded. You would definitely have to spend a removal on this. Knife Staff, okay. Alright. I have plenty of blockers, though. It wants to swing. Just that? Alright, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna start jumping from here. There's no way to get things trampled, so. Alright. The 14 o'clock. Yeah. You have Instone Infection or Grasp of Darkness. Yeah. I have a Disperse too, so. Hopefully he casts an artifact. He's gonna keep, okay. I'll keep jumping from here. I'm not in any pressure quite yet. Yeah, keep swinging in. And still, Grasp of Darkness. I could save that. That's cool. I would. Alright. Just that. Yeah, okay. He'll play it again. Too bad he's not an artifact. Icarats. Okay. 2 cards in hand. Alright. Let's see. Play out Sky Eye School. 5. Snapster Glider. I'll play Snapster. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay, block, block. Let's see. Block, block, block. Block, block, block. Don't want to show Chimeric Mass. Nah, not yet, I don't think.